Ever wondered how to replace the skies of your renderings quickly in Photoshop? Well, in this video, we're going to learn exactly that. But before we jump to the main video, if you guys are new here, then do make sure to subscribe to the channel, comment down below about what you guys think and what you guys want to watch for the next few videos, and we'll make sure to record them. Going back to the main video. Now with the latest update of Photoshop, replacing skies of your renderings has been quicker than ever. But make sure you have to have a licensed Photoshop to do this. All you have to do is just simply drag your render into Photoshop, then just go to this particular panel and click on sky replacement. Photoshop will analyze the picture already for you using AI and replace the skies accordingly. Photoshop also has a bunch of different pre-made templates of different skies for you to choose from. All you have to do is just simply choose any one of the skies they choose and it will be auto replaced. Photoshop also has the settings that it uses AI to color correct the image based on the new skies as well. So you guys don't have to do anything else other than just a click of a button. However, if you want to use your own manual skies from Google, let's say, then all you have to do is just go to this panel in the layers, go to this folder and replace the skies Photoshop has with your own manual sky. Just remember that with this one method, the color grading of the sky may not be accurate, so you have to go to camera raw filter and color grade your picture accordingly. With that being said, we have made a set of 5 high quality skies for you to choose from. It is free to download. The link is there in the description below as well.